Hello everyone, so it's probably no secret that my most popular videos on my channel are hair length videos. It's like, like as far as like haircut guides, the number 8, the number 10, the number 12, and the number 16. Number 8, 1 inch, number 16 is 2 inches. So, for how small my channel is, those videos have gotten hundreds and thousands of views total. My most popular one right now is like over 200,000. There's another one that's around 100,000, and other ones are close to 100,000. My channel only has around 3,600 subscribers, which is wild. Anyways, so some of you have asked if there's anything longer than 2 inches. I have not found it, but I don't know if there is. Maybe there is, maybe there isn't. I haven't seen it, but today I believe we have a solution. Hairfin, today's video sponsor. Yes, video sponsor. So Hairfin is a hair length cutting guide company out of here, made in the USA, out in Connecticut. Now I want to give a big thank you and a shout out to Tony and Hairfin for sending me these products. This actually comes all in one kit, and even if you like these, if you find that this is something you want to do, I'll give you a discount code in the description. Even then, without the discount code, it's still not terribly expensive, not even expensive at all. What you'll get in this 3-piece kit is a 2-inch, 3-inch guide, and a 4-inch guide, and you can see the fin. So what I'm going to use is the 4-inch guide, and before we get to it, I want to show you why these things are curved. They're curved because, of course, the shape of your head is curved. So I'm going to use the 3-inch example here because it's going to catch the most hair, since my hair isn't too much longer than 4 inches. So you put it right here between your fingers, your middle and your index. It's probably going to take a little bit of practice. That's why, you just, before you cut it, you just go around your hair and try to get the proper fit. So right here, tight between. And as you can see the curvature of my head, it can just go under and lift what I need, 3 inches. And if I wanted to cut the 3 inches, boom, I just snip it right there with the scissors, and you got it going. I'm not going to use 3 inches. I'm going to use the longest one, 4 inches, because I want my hair as long as possible still. My hair is probably maybe 5 inches, a little less, a little more. So you want this side facing the direction of hair you're going to try to get. Now, you don't want to go like this, because that's just kind of counterproductive there. So it'd be pretty hard to mess up, because if you're going to plan on using one even length throughout your hair, you can't go any shorter, obviously. If you go like try to catch some hair, none of it's going to be shorter than 4 inches, obviously, because you're going to be using the guideline. Now you could also use, maybe if you have longer hair, 2 on the sides. Maybe you want 2 on the lower part of the sides, maybe a 3 on the corners, top corners, and then a 4 on top. You can do whatever you want, all one even length. Looks like I got a pompadour there. So you can use both hands as a guide. And you don't even need clippers for this. I mean, you could use clippers. I'm going to show you both, just a hair trimmer, a zero guard, and some scissors. So first I'm going to show you scissors. So look at this. This is where your guide's going to be. And step 1. There. 4 inches. So I'm just going to continue here with the 4-inch guideline. Probably need better scissors, but you know what? Hey, anything will get the job done. Maybe you don't have scissors for cutting. Maybe have a beard trimmer, a regular hair clipper. Just use it with no guard. Again, go up again. And find how much hair you want to take off. So again, I'm using the 4, and all one even length. So here's some evidence that I did indeed cut my hair. This isn't all of it, some of it's on the counter here. But just to show you proof. Out of the shower, this is what roughly 4 inches of hair length looks like. Almost forgot to mention, it even comes with a little guide. This side is like a fun little chart of different hairstyles, and this side is more of an instruction on how to use it properly. Let's see if it focuses. Okay, it's probably not gonna focus, but the point is, just to let you know that it comes with a little package, and whew, smells good. Cheap but good. Just gonna use a little bit of Axe here. Rub the product through my hair, try to style a little bit. And I wanted to show you that little clip earlier of the hair on the ground, because I know it's not a huge difference between how my hair looked before and after, because it was maybe half an inch to an inch longer at most. But this is 4 inches in length. Again, it has 3 inches or 2 inches. And boom, look at that. Style it to your desire. And that's it. That's the Hairfin. Hair guide, hair tool, whatever you want to call it. You're going to have a great cut. Thank you guys for watching so much. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want something a little longer than the regular 2 inches, 3 inches, 4 inches, it's all there. See you guys next time.